Hi guys, if Discord is not starting in your PC, let me show you how to fix that problem. I'm going to be doing this tutorial in Windows 11, but if you have Windows 10, this is going to work as well with the same settings. For the first step that you want to do is to right-click into the Start button right here and open your Task Manager. If you see that Discord is open right here, even if it is not working, or into Background Processes, you want to scroll down and to search if you see any background process of Discord. If you have any Discord, I don't have any of them, but if you have them, you want to click into it and then click right here where you see End Task. When you have closed all of the Discord applications, you want to uninstall it. For that, once more, right-click into the Start menu and go into the Settings. In here on the left side, you want to go into the Apps tab and go into Apps and Features. When you are right here, you're going to see this list of all the apps that you have installed in your system. You can scroll down or you can simply search right here by adding Discord. And once you have found it, you want to click into the three dots on the right side and click into Uninstall. It's going to tell you that this app and the related info will be uninstalled. Then click in Uninstall and you will have to wait a couple of moments until this is done. As you can see right now, this finished uninstalling Discord, but you still are going to have some data of Discord in your PC. So you want to click into the search bar and you want to type run. Open the run app right here. And now you want to type percentage, app data, and percentage. Now you want to click into OK. This folder right here is going to get open and you want to scroll and search if you have any Discord folder right here, as you can see. Right click into it and you want to delete this folder. After you have done that, you can close this folder as well. Now you want to open the run application once more and this time you want to type percentage, local, app data, and percentage. This is going to open another application data folder, but this is the local one. Press enter, and right here you want to scroll down until you find the second folder of Discord. Right click into it once more and click into delete. Once you have both of them deleted, you can clear your recycle bin. And now you want to open your web browser and go into the Discord website. The link is going to be in the description down below and download it for Windows. Now, when it's downloaded, you have two ways to open the file. One of them is to click right here on the button. Depending on your web browser, maybe this is going to be different. I'm using Chrome. Or you can close the web browser and open your downloads folder right here. And now you want to double click into Discord setup. I hope this has fixed your problems with Discord that wasn't starting. And if you have any more problems with it, just let me know in the comments down below. I will try to help you out, guys. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.